If you live in Clearwater, you know the region is no stranger to severe weather, including hurricanes and tropical storms. As a homeowner, ensuring your home is well protected from these natural forces is crucial. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your property is by installing impact windows. These windows are designed to withstand high winds, flying debris, and other storm-related damage, making them a smart investment for any Clearwater homeowner. If you're considering upgrading to impact windows in your home, it's important to understand what to expect throughout the installation process. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step of the process, from initial consultation to final inspection, so you can be prepared for a smooth and successful installation. Initial consultation and window selection. The first step in the impact window installation process is scheduling a consultation with a professional window contractor. This is when you'll discuss your specific needs, budget, and desired features for your new windows. Assessment of current windows. The contractor will assess your existing windows to determine if they need to be replaced or if the frames can be reused. In some cases, new frames will be required to ensure a secure fit for the impact-resistant windows. Choosing the right impact windows. Impact windows come in a variety of styles, including double-hung, casement, sliding, and picture windows. During the consultation, the contractor will help you select the best window style and material for your home's needs. Most impact windows are made from high-strength laminated glass with a strong polyvinyl butyryl (PVB) interlayer that prevents glass from shattering on impact. Additional features. You'll also have the option to choose features such as low emissivity, low-E glass for energy efficiency, or tinted windows to reduce glare and improve privacy. Measuring and customization. Once the window style and features have been chosen, the next step is to measure the window openings to ensure a perfect fit. Accurate measurements are essential to ensure proper installation and performance of the impact windows. Window frame inspection. The contractor will inspect your existing window frames to ensure they are sturdy and structurally sound. If any frames are damaged or rotted, they may need to be replaced before the new windows can be installed. Customization of impact windows. Depending on the design of your home, your impact windows may need to be custom-made to fit the dimensions of your window openings. Customization can ensure that the windows are installed securely and provide maximum protection against wind and debris. Preparing your home for installation. Before installation begins, there are a few steps you can take to prepare your home. Clear the area around windows. Remove any furniture, decorations, or other items near the windows that will be replaced. This gives the installers easy access to the window openings and helps avoid damage to your belongings. Protect your interior. To prevent dust or debris from spreading inside your home, consider covering furniture and flooring around the work area with protective sheets or drop cloths. Access to electrical systems. If your windows have electrical components such as motorized shades or security systems, ensure that the installers have access to these systems so they can disconnect them safely during the installation. Window installation day. On the day of installation, a team of professional installers will arrive at your home ready to replace your windows. Depending on the size of your home and the number of windows being replaced, the installation process can take a full day or several days. Removal of old windows. The first step is the removal of your old windows. The installation team will carefully remove the existing windows and frames, making sure to dispose of them responsibly. Preparing the opening. After the old windows are removed, the contractor will prepare the window openings by ensuring they are level, clean, and ready to accommodate the new impact windows. If necessary, they will make any adjustments to the opening to ensure the new windows fit securely. Installing the new windows. The impact windows will then be installed into the prepared openings. The installation team will carefully place each window, ensuring it's level and properly sealed to prevent any air or water leaks. Impact windows require secure anchoring to the window frame, so the installers will use high-quality hardware and fasteners to ensure a tight fit. Sealing and weatherproofing. Once the windows are in place, the contractor will seal the edges with high-quality caulking to prevent drafts and moisture infiltration. Proper sealing is essential for ensuring the windows function as intended during extreme weather conditions. Final inspection and cleanup. After the installation is complete, the contractor will perform a final inspection to ensure the windows are securely installed and fully functional. Window operation check. The contractor will check that each window opens, closes, and locks properly. They will also inspect the seals to ensure they're airtight and water resistant. Cleaning and disposal. The installation team will clean the work area, removing any debris or dust left behind from the installation. They will also dispose of the old windows and any packaging materials from the new windows. Post-installation care and maintenance. Once your impact windows are installed, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper care and maintenance. Regular cleaning and occasional inspections can help ensure that your windows continue to provide protection and energy efficiency for years to come. Conclusion. Installing impact windows in Clearwater. Installing impact windows in your Clearwater home is an investment that provides lasting protection against the region's severe weather. By working with professional installers and understanding the process from start to finish, you can ensure that your new windows are properly installed and fully functional. With their enhanced security, energy efficiency, and storm protection, impact windows are a smart choice for homeowners looking to safeguard their property and enjoy a more comfortable living space.